The CC case against Ripple is gaining new strength. What will happen next? We'll find out today. Ripple's Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz has expressed support for XRP's burn-to-mint strategy, conceding that it might be a source of demand for XRP. Yahoo, a smart contract-enabling sidechain on the XRP ledger KSOP ledger PA, has debuted with its native coin. The project is also supported by XRLP Labs, the developer of XAM, who promotes it as an early access to hooks. However, some users have expressed concerns about the obligation to permanently burn their XR tokens in exchange for XR, a procedure known as burn-to-mint. It is critical to understand that this procedure is irreversible and will result in the permanent loss of XRP. Despite these reservations, one of the XRP's original creators, David Schwartz, has openly praised Yahoo's burn-to-mint strategy. When it came to X, Schwartz emphasized the method's justification and advantages. He also said that it is not the major method of obtaining XR. According to Schwartz, the key ways of obtaining XR will be airdrops, prizes for mints, initial grants, airdrops centralized and decentralized exchanges, and airdrops centralized and decentralized exchanges. Burn-to-mint is a backup plan that ensures anyone with XRP may receive XR early in a decentralized and safe way. Schwartz further claimed that burn-to-mint will set a minimum price for XA, prohibiting users from paying more for XA than they would for XRP. Furthermore, he claims that burn-to-mint mitigates possible obstacles to XAU's debut, such as a lack of XA supply or liquidity concerns. In addition, the Ripple Tomso discussed why XAU chose burn-to-mint over a two-way bridge solution. A two-way bridge would need the use of a custodial business to retain spanned assets on the XRPL, which would introduce technical and legal difficulties as well as related risks. Burn-to-mint avoids these issues. Schwartz also addressed XRP holders' worries about committing their tokens to buy XAU. He said that if burn-to-mint is not utilized, it has no effect on them. However, if adopted, it would reduce the supply of XRP while increasing demand, possibly benefiting these holders. As an XRP owner, you should be quite pleased. If you do not use burn-to-mint, it has no effect on you. It decreases the supply of XRP and serves as a source of demand for XRP to the degree that it is utilized. Why should you be opposed to that? Schwartz made a comment. Schwartz finished by underlining that his opinions are his own and may differ from those of the XAU team. He admitted to the likelihood of misunderstandings or inaccuracies in his evaluation of some components of the project. Notably, Weiser Wind, the creator of XRLP Labs, agreed with his argument. Yahoo is one of the first sidechains to be launched on the XALPL with the promise of improving functionality and scalability. The project claims to be able to offer fast, cost-effective, and secure transactions while also enabling users to utilize hooks for smart contracts. Meanwhile, among the burn-to-mint comments, community member Krippenreiter projected that few market players would use the technique. According to him, users may only need to burn less than one of XRP's supply to get XA. The reason for this is that ordinary users and investors like me, you have no real incentive to beat out XRP for XRE4G. Right now, we'll most likely trade on SX or DEX instead of burning coins in the future, he went on to say. Interestingly, a user recently destroyed 40,000 XRP in a one transaction, likely to get EK. Bitrue is now the simplest method to burn XRP for XA. Over the course of the preceding week, the price of XRP has increased by around 30 across the board. In addition, the digital asset led a bullish surge in the preceding 24 hours, which enabled it to break over $0.68, which was one of its greatest peaks in the last 3 months. Coinciding with a significant conference that Ripple is holding in Dubai is an increase in the volume of XRE, which has had an impact on the price of the cryptocurrency. This coming Wednesday and Thursday, Ripple Swell will be held in Madinat Jumeirah, Dubai. This event brings together the brightest minds in finance, blockchain technology, and monetary policy from across the globe. According to Wei Kamen, the Swell event that will take place this year may feature significant announcements, such as an initial public offering IPO acquisition of a license from Vara, discussions regarding central bank digital currencies, BDCs, developments in stablecoins, tokenization, and possibly the attraction of new users. After a year of relative calm, it will likely become clear whether Ripple still views itself as primarily a company focused on payments. In addition, it is anticipated that around 600 participants, 80 professional speakers, and representatives from up to 40 nations would participate in the conference. The XRP community is excitedly awaiting the end of this event because of the significance of it and the fact that it has the potential to influence Ripple's business strategy. In addition, they are expecting the possible beneficial impact that this result may have on XRP. The idea that Ripple would use the event as a platform to announce its intention to do an initial public offering IPO for one of the hypotheses that has gained the most traction recently. Notably, Wall Street analyst Linda Jones has forecasted that the price of Ripple's shares would increase to more than $600 following the first public offering IPO. The value of XRP on the market may go up as a consequence of the growing interest in the cryptocurrency. When the stock price of Ripple reaches $600, the likelihood of XRE reaching double digits will become a realistic possibility. Even if there are some concerns and adverse thoughts about how a Ripple IPO may affect XRP, the majority of people who support XRP believe that such a move would be essential in expanding XRP's use and price. Should favorable trends continue, market experts forecast that the price of XRP may reach a target range of between $0.8,875 to $1.3,617, which corresponds to values last seen in 2021. In 2021, a situation very similar to this one caused XRP to surge in value by 180W, reaching a price goal of around $1.69. XRP supporters are looking forward to the Ripple Swell event, which will likely result in more price increases. In point of fact, it would be extremely appropriate and in line with Dubai's support for cryptocurrencies for Ripple Swell 2023 to further drive the price of XRP. Statements attributed to Arthur Brito, a Ripple co-founder, have fueled speculation about an XR price increase. Brito predicted that XRP may reach $10,000. Many people in the neighborhood are concerned about the likelihood of such a rise. According to the piece, Brito also underlines the significance of global scalability so that XRR can service the world's 7.5 billion people. However, there is no reputable source to back up these statements. While they are extensively debated, there is no recorded instance of Brito making such a big forecast. Brito has a modest profile and does not regularly participate on his X account. As a result, most people are unaware that he is Ripple's co-founder. The company's well-known founders are Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Larson, and Jed McCaleb. Brito first mentioned XRP's ability to hit $10,000 in a 2019 YouTube video, claiming that he made this forecast in 2017. In the video, YouTuber Mark Collins highlights the necessity of growing XRP liquidity, implying that higher prices would result. He also sees the tokenization of other asset classes, utilizing XRP as a trigger to exceed the $10,000 milestone. Additional than Brito's unconfirmed $10,000 forecast, there have been additional $10,000 predictions for XRP. Lord XRP's and Bitforkowinst, a well-known cryptocurrency expert, has defined ELMBXRP reaching $10,000 as a logical conclusion. Lord XRP based his forecast on XRP's ability to acquire a larger portion of the payments industry when it becomes the primary facilitator of central bank digital currency, GPW. By evaluating their market capitalizations, this projection compares Ripple against established conventional payment companies like Western Union and Swift. Lord XRP believes that if Ripple can get a greater share of the global payments industry, which is now valued at roughly $2.7 quadrillion, XRP's price might reach $10,000,